Okay, so the machine, the HTV RONT machine is on. The start button is a steady green light, which means it's reached its optimal temperature of 300 degrees. The power button light is also stable, and I also have the automatic feature enabled. So I'm going to close this drawer, and it's supposed to press down. I've got my item on here. I just wanted to just get it heated first before I put the actual item to press on there. So let's see. It's supposed to have pressed by now. It's not moved at all. I think my machine is broken, which is kind of sad considering. Okay, so I'm gonna try another thing. I'm gonna pull the drawer out, turn this off, and turn the auto off, close the drawer with a tray, so it's all the way in, and I'm gonna hit this button, the start button. There's no error code. The manual doesn't say that it's supposed to continuously do this. I am not sure what is going on, because every other video I've watched, they were able to just push the button and it worked. I have unplugged this thing, I have plugged it back in, let it heat back up, and it's just, I feel like we're creating an insanity moment right now. So I went ahead and I did send an email to the company because their chat services are offline, not available right now. It is Saturday afternoon, so I guess they're not available on Saturdays. And I guess I'm just gonna have to wait because there's nothing that's preventing the press from closing, and it's definitely got heat. Matter of fact, I don't actually want to leave this in here because this gets kind of warm. So I guess I'll just have to wait and not be able to do anything over the weekend now because it's malfunctioning. So